We are proud to announce that RobeCurls is officially a certified women-owned business, WBENC certified women-owned. Okay, so when I first heard that you can certify my business as women-owned, I thought, LOL, I have to certify that I'm a woman? It doesn't seem smart, like why? But no, it's bigger than that. BENC certifications means that we have a legitimate business. See, it's not easy to get certified. It took us about a year, and during that time, we had to do an insane amount of paperwork and auditing from financial, legal, tax documents, everything to prove that we are legit. And yes, we are legit. And it's also certifying that we are the majority owners of said business and that we're women-owned. See, in a world where women are often diluted by male co-founders and investors, they just want to make sure that if you say you're a woman-owned business, that you are the majority owners. In our case, 100% women-owned. So as a women-owned business, we really understand the importance of empowerment and inclusion of women in the business world. And as a women-owned, inventor-owned business, we understand the importance of empowering other women inventors as well. See, less than 9% of patents are held by women. Less than 2% of patents are held by women only. As a company and as a founder and an inventor, I strive to support other women inventors and entrepreneurs. So we really are incredibly proud to be a part of WBENC, whose missions and values align with ours. We are proud to announce that we are women-owned certified thanks to WBENC.